Hey, how y'all doing? Hope you're having a great Wednesday. We're going to go on a short walk down along White Lick Creek here at Washington Township Park. Here we go. Well, hey there, buddy. You got you some beans or something? Yeah, something. I don't know what these trees are, but he seems pretty friendly. It's a rather excellent day here in Indiana. I reckon it's probably got up a little over 50 degrees. Well, that water's looking nice. I reckon I'll be fishing in this creek here in about another month or so. Once she warms up a little bit. Oh, this looks like a good hole too. Thinking I'm just gonna walk over here to this gravel bar and pick out a couple rocks to take home. You know, it's what I do. But there's a couple places I wanted to stop along the way. Here's another one. Yeah, it's been here for a long time. Well, the ground is really thawed out. It was really muddy back here. Here's one of the twin bridges, the haunted one, so they say. Yep, I'm gonna grab a couple of these cobbles up here and take them home. I thought y'all might enjoy the scenery on my way out. Well, all right, folks. I suppose this is the end of the line. I'm gonna grab a couple rocks I already got my eye on, and I'm gonna get out of here. I gotta go back to work. Y'all take care. Cheers.